Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. And let's go ahead and let's get started. My lips are drier than the Sahara Desert, so let's try and get something going. This is the NYX Duck Plump Plumping Lip Liner in the shade Nude Flip. You guys, I just have this like talent where I just lose everything. I have several of these lip liners and I can only find like 2, 3 right now. So if you ever need to lose something, just send it my way and it will be taken care of. And I don't even do it on purpose. I just wish I could find a talent that like does some good in my life. That'd be fantastic. Now we're gonna go with the NYX Lip IV in the shade Hydra Honey. These are phenomenal if you have dry lips. If you hear anything, that's my husband, not the ghost. I also have no idea what time it is because I've been running around and I have to charge my phone if I'm going to do the live, and so I don't even know what time it is. Like, I have no idea what's going on. That's my life. Just flying by the seat of my pants all the time. Whoa, dropping the palette. All right, this is the Moira Lovers Starlight palette. These are so cute. But the packaging, if you are one like me and you are just clumsy, it's dangerous. It's dangerous, but look how cute that is. And then it like pops up and then your palette's down there. But again, clumsy people like me struggle with this packaging, because like, how do normal people get these out without breaking it? I don't know. All right, so here's the palette. Again, it's got this cutesy little plastic cover that I'll probably just throw away, but it's cute. So here's what the palette looks like. For timing's sake, we're gonna do the same look on both eyes, which I usually don't do, but Sundays are always like so stressful, and I want to talk to you guys about that because I'm just really struggling here. So I work a lot and I always end up having to stay over. I have a long commute, so at least 50 hours a week is taken up with my job and my commute, sometimes more. And then on weekends, all right, let's start with the shade. What do I want to start with? Let's start with, I don't know, let's do Enticing right here. And then like on weekends, I'm always doing stuff with my mom, and then Saturday's the day that my husband and I kind of like get to spend time together. But basically my point is I'm constantly running, and it's exhausting. And then on Sundays I do whatever, you know, my mom needs help her with stuff. And then by the time I get home, I have to rush to film a video because I can only film on weekends. And then I have to rush to get that done to immediately rush into a live, because I can't do my lives earlier because my husband is sleeping. And where I film, like I would wake him up. So I can't do that. And I'm just wearing myself so thin, just constantly rushing. Like, I love the lives, but the thing is, like, I can't do them any later because I have to start winding down to go to bed because I wake up so early. So I'm just trying to figure out how to fit everything in. But it's hard because I just feel like I never have any like downtime. And if like my Monday through Fridays weren't so stressful, like that wouldn't be a big deal. But I'm just really kind of struggling right now. I'm going to go in with the shade Blush Baby right here and just blend that other shade out. But yeah, you guys, I don't know what to do. And I'm trying to film on the talk because I seem to be getting better traction there. It is so hard to grow on YouTube. And actually, Erica Conger, If you guys don't know her, you need to go subscribe to her channel. She's awesome. She had posted something like a couple weeks ago that was like, have you, you know, if you're a content creator, have you noticed that every time you post, you automatically lose, you know, I don't know, between like 2 and 5 subscribers. And so since she posted that, I've really been paying attention, and yes, that happens to me. And so many other content creators are saying this is happening to them, like they're losing subscribers every time they post. I mean, and then within like, I don't know, a couple days or a couple hours, like you end up getting them back. But I'm just like, dang, imagine how all of our channels would be doing if we wouldn't lose those every time we post. And it doesn't make any sense. I mean, I highly doubt someone is like looking at a video pop up from us or from anybody, and then they're like, oh, I don't want to subscribe to their channel anymore. It doesn't make sense. And I know like the algorithm and everything, it's rough, but I don't know. I'm definitely spinning my wheels and trying to get somewhere, but I don't know that it'll really ever happen. All right, you guys, now I'm going to go in with the shade. Let's go with Dusty Rose. That's going to be our lower lash lower lash shade. But yeah, if you are a content creator, have you noticed this? Do you know why it's happening? Like, I understand they're trying to remove bots and stuff, but it just doesn't seem like there would be that many bots out there, you know, or fake accounts or whatever. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the shade, let's do Hear Me Out, because that's the deepest shade in the palette. And speaking of the lives, if you guys don't come hang out with us and you just need something to do, right now I'm live every Sunday at 3 p.m. Every once in a while there's just something going on and I just like really can't do it, but I'm trying to keep showing up and doing the lives. But again, I am just like wearing myself so thin. But I like doing it, and that's why I keep showing up. But it's just the time crunches and everything. It's hard because I have so little free time. I'm going to go in with a glitter glue. Like, I wish I didn't need any sleep at all, so then I could just constantly go, 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 go. But unfortunately, like, I gotta, like, rest sometime. And I also wish I could do, like, a live on a weeknight, but I really can't. And that sucks. I'm just so limited on time. It just makes everything difficult. All right. This shade, Celine, right here, just, oh my god, it looks so freaking beautiful. So let's start with that. You guys, these Moira palettes are so good. I used the Celestial Chic one yesterday. Absolutely stunning. Cannot say enough good things about these. Just so beautiful. If you're wanting to try Moira, these palettes are a great start. I mean, I love every palette I've tried from them, but if you're someone who likes you're not into the overly colorful palettes, the palettes they just released in this line are fantastic. Alright, I really want to take the shade Celestial, and I want to put that like in the center of both eyes. Because you know I kind of like to do that just to get like a little... It's adding a little more of a pinky purple to the look, which is really, really pretty. Now for the lower inner corner highlight, I think we're gonna go in with the shade Charms right here. Alright, you guys, I'll be right back. Just looking for a highlight. Just give me a minute or 2 or 15 or 20. Also, worst thing about living with a man, there's never any toilet paper in the bathrooms. Like, I don't understand how this happens, but I can't tell you how many times I will go to the bathroom and there's no toilet paper. Why? When I was single and living by myself, there was always toilet paper in the bathroom. I don't understand it. I mean, I can understand like once in a while, but like this is all the time, at least once a week. Like I'm getting stuck in the bathroom with no toilet paper. Anyone else? Anyone else? Is that just one of those reoccurring things that happens at my house? I don't know. I wish it wouldn't. But, you know, especially when I'm all the way downstairs and the spare toilet paper's upstairs. Just saying. Just saying. Alright, let's go into the Glamlight Coca-Cola highlighter. Also, you guys, so there have been like a couple instances where my boss will like text or whatever. He loves to text like on weekends or like late at night when I'm like sleeping, and he like tried to text someone else in the office and they did not like respond right away. I guess they're doing something else. So then he like calls me and he's like, oh, well, I'm glad you answered because I tried to reach blah, 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 and they didn't respond. And, you know, so I checked, I pay them or I sign their paychecks or whatever. And it's like so stressful because it literally, if you know, you know, he expects us to be at his beck and call like 24/7. And like on weekends, I try to have a life and go out and do things. And like this particular time, he'd just sent a text. My phone was just, I don't know, my text alerts haven't been going off, so I didn't even know until I went to check my phone, like, and I saw it like 15 minutes later. But it's like, it's just stressing me out because like, I feel like I don't have a right to a life. I feel like I can't do anything on the weekends. I feel like, I don't know, it's really stressing me out. So I don't know, do you have a boss like that? Have you dealt with something like that? Like, what do you do? Because I mean, he is like dead ass serious when he's like, well, I'm the one who sends your paychecks. Because like this has come up, that's one of his favorite lines, and it feels like a threat. And I don't know what to do because I don't get paid to work weekends, and I already work plenty of overtime that I don't get paid for. But like, I can't, someone like that, like you can't go to and be like, hey, like my weekends are my time, because it'll be like, well, I write your paycheck or I sign your paycheck. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, but it's so stressful, you guys. It's so stressful. Like, whew, yeah. So anyway, happy Sunday. Happy day off, maybe. Questionable. Not even sure if I get those anymore. Okay, let's go ahead and let's do a final look. Alright, you guys, this I love this. These Moira palettes are so freaking good. Like, I'm not even kidding. I think they're only like $18.50 a piece. And this one is the Lover's Starlight palette. If I can get this opened. Here we go. Yeah, you guys, just absolutely freaking gorgeous. So pretty. Alright, so that's it for today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment anything, literally. Anything down below. Your favorite ice cream. Your favorite coffee. I don't know. Are you like an ice cream or custard person? Do you like gelato? What the heck even is gelato? I don't even know. I don't think I've ever tried it. But, you know, just let me know. What's your favorite below? Also, another thing. They had this like cannoli dip at Aldi that's like so good and I really like it, but I've never had a cannoli. So like, what do those taste like? Somebody let me know. Like, are they good? Are they worth it? Yeah, just let me know anything down below, literally anything. It just helps me out with the algorithm that is so brutal to us tiny creators. It is so hard to grow on here, you guys. It is so hard. I am shocked that, that I made it as far as I have in the over 3 years I've been doing this. So that's it, you guys. Remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.